Hello and welcome to Triple B Collectibles and Berkey's Box Break. I'm Berkey. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Guess what? We had a couple folks come in and they said, hey, let's break some more, Berkey. We want to see some more Series 1 1819 Upper Deck. So we just sold out. Two box break, random teams. I opened up 12 boxes, just so you know. I opened up a case. We're down to the last four, folks. We're going to open two more. We've only hit $1 and two checklist cards. So of 250. So we're hunting. And this is going to be the break. So we're going to be saying beer me at the end of this one, I'm hoping. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to roll over here. And here is our team names. Our NHL team names. And here are our owners. So, excuse me. Like I said, it's a random teams. Vegas is included in this random. So I'm going to grab everybody's name. We're going to go over here to random.org. We're going to insert your names over here. Then we're going to roll two virtual dice just like that. Bam. A 4 and a 2 is 6 times. I'm going to come back to the list. I'm going to roll this list of names all the way from Diego T down to Davis M with a... Let me get you in there, my friend. Sorry about that. Last spot mojo on that one right there. We'll go move that 2 on the other side. And we're going to roll it. 31. There you go. 31 names. We're going 6 times. So that was 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And we're going 6. Good luck on your names. Boom, the owner's art starting at the beginning. Claude P, Diego, down to Davis M. So Claude and Davis, you both got a lot of spots in this break. So we're going to put these over here. There's the names. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to grab all the names. Vegas Golden Knights are included in this. And like I said, the Vancouver Canucks are also included in here. So there they are. We'll go back over here to random.org again. I like to do this. I roll up 2 new dice. I like to get it that way. Number 10. It's a 6 and a 4. So 10 times on this list. Good luck on the team names, folks. Ladies and gentlemen. 1, 31. We're good to go. 2, we're going 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and number 10 right there. Carolina Hurricanes in the bottom, Detroit Red Wings at the top. Pop it over, put it in just like that. And it starts out with Claude P's got the Detroit Red Wings. Diego T's got the New York Rangers. EJC, you got the Tampa Bay Lightning. Dave N, you got the Kings. Davis M, you got the Blackhawks. David P, you got the Oilers. Dave N, you got the Sharks and the Predators. EJ, you got the Boston Bruins. Davis M, you got the Coyotes. Claude P, you got the St. Louis Blues. Davis M, you got the Washington Capitals. Claude P, you got the Flames. David P, you got the Avalanche. Claude P, you got my Wild. Good luck. Davis M, you got the Penguins. Dave N, you got the Sabres. Davis M with the last spot mojo with the Toronto Maple Leafs. Claude P, you got the Vancouver Canucks. Congratulations. Dave N, you got the Senators. Claude P, you got the Islanders. Claude, you got the Ducks. EJ, you got the Canadians. Davis M, you got the Vegas Golden Knights. Claude, you got the Devils, Panthers, and Flyers. Davis, you got the Jets. Dave, you got the Columbus Blue Jackets. Davis M, you got the Dallas Stars and the Carolina Hurricanes. Good luck. Man, nice. So, very nice. So, let's just take those guys. And we're going to pop this over to here and pop this down like that. We're going to delete that. Control V. Go grab that. Like that. And then we're going to go back over to here. Yep. Insert that like that. That's done. That's done. That looks good, right? Everything's looking good. All right. But guess what we have to do? We have to come back over here, go to the home, and we have to randomize up to 9. So I got box 4, 5, 7, and 9. So we got to generate 2 boxes between You know what? I'm going to go 4. No, you know, I'm going to go 3. No, 4 would be right. You know what? I've been doing 1. Just go 1 to 9. Makes it fun. So, here we go. 5. Guess what? We have 5. It's right there. There's 5. We got 5. So we got 4, 5, and 7. 6 we don't have. 1 we don't have. 6 we don't have. 6 we don't have. Stop with the 6s. 4 we have. There we go. So our last 2 boxes for that Pick Your Team are going to be box 7 and 9, folks. That's it. This is the Pick Your Team boxes. So, and then we're into another full fresh case. So 5 and 4 is what we pulled. Is what random.org randomized for us there. So we'll go back over to here. There's a list of names. There's the list there. And let me just go back over to here, and I'm going to sort by column D. There we go. There we go. Good. Looks good. All right. I took my meds and they're making me dry for my sinuses. So, okay. Are we ready? I'm ready. Box 5 right there. Box 4 right there. We'll put box 4 right back there. We'll put box 5 right here in front of us. We'll get the camera set there. Get that. Good luck to everybody who got in the random teams. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for selling out this box break. Empty box. And here we go. I'm just going to put those off to the side. You see. So like I said, I usually just pack stack off to the side. You probably, if you watched my breaks before, you know that I kind of do the slow play, show every card, you know. I enjoy doing it that way. It takes a little bit longer, but I like doing it that way. So I then also have to move the camera around so that I can see, you know, so y'all can see my beautiful mug. No, Bergie, turn it off. No. So, I just think it's better. I mean, it's fun. I mean, that's what you're paying for in my mind. So you're paying to see the cards, to see what you get, you know. And, yeah. And I don't mind going slow. So, I don't mind it. I started my way a few months ago. And, I was going to do it fast. And sometimes you might see me at the end of a break get a little bit quicker where I'll just, you know, flip the cards off, you know, kind of go through them. Well, okay. Because we basically, by the time we get to the end of the break, we have probably all the young guns that we're going to get. And we're looking maybe for a UD portrait or a Yager card in this series now. So, or maybe it's even the Stonewall. So Stonewalls are really cool this year. So goalies, cards, so they're pretty cool. So I like the fact that they put goalies into the series this year. I like the three-way cards, and if you guys have noticed, I've only seen a couple of them with the Minnesota Wild. We did have, I believe in one of the boxes, we did have I think it was LA? Was it LA maybe? I don't remember right offhand. But we ended up having a couple other three-way cards. And what I mean by three-way is that it's 3 pictures on one card, and it shows the player in action. So I'm going this side. So I changed my camera, I changed the stuff around, and here we go. Oh, that's my wife in the background, if you hear her coughing. So, she's got the cold I had, folks. You don't want this cold. This thing is not good. You're going to cough like she just coughed. If you heard her coughing, which you probably did, it turns your face red. It's bad. It's bad. So, if anybody out there is getting sick right now, I'm with you totally, 100%. So here we go. Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. The Habs. That's going to EJ. There's our first little one out the board. So that's a Stonewall. Miller, Smith, Jaskin. There's my WWE, John Gibson. Reinhardt. UD Canvas, Nathan McKinnon. There you go. Colorado Avalanche. Colorado Avalanche was David P. There you are, David. Nice little hit. You all right in there? All right. Let's say I can pause a break if you need help. So they would understand that your wife is dying, Bergie. Go help her. They're like, dude, you ain't supposed to laugh about that. Yes, I can. So you might notice I put a couple things in. It says on the top now, UD, you know, what series we're doing, the 2-box break. I got the names on the bottom. So we can actually find the box break, the video, a little bit easier for you, a little bit easier for me. Then we know what's going on. So, Claude Giroux, Philadelphia Flyers, Shooting Stars. So that's going out to Claude. Claude P. Claude P. You got yourself Claude. Hey man, there you go. Congratulations. Talbot, Zinjed, LeBlanc, and we'll grab right to there. Moussant. So that's the other thing too, is that this box, this case, guys, was actually from my local hobby shop. So, man, the owner of the shops is going to be like, if we don't pull a Patterson or another Dahlin, he's going to be like, what? They've been averaging 2 to 3 per case, you know. So, Yager. Now, Yager, if we get any more Yager where they're split or in half, or his other cards, we'll randomize those. But these will go to the card that has it listed. So, this is Pittsburgh Penguins. So, Pittsburgh Penguins is Davis M. There you go, Davis. Congratulations. That's the 90-91 Yager years. And here we go. Alex Martin. Edmondson. Yeah, I gotta get my own. I gotta get my own set. Penny sleeve these up. There's our first young good. Blackwood. Devils. Goalie. Nice. Mackenzie Blackwood. New Jersey Devils. That's going out to Claude P. There you go, Claude. Congratulations. Nice hit. Nice young gun. Pretty card, man. Very pretty card. So that's our first young gun. We'll put him off to the side over here. I'll put these up here so you guys can see where I'm actually putting them. Because my camera site right now is kind of small. Like I said, I moved around about a month ago. And I think that's what also confused me a little bit, is that I moved my site around. I was getting too much sunlight on one side, and then I was like, I moved it and I got too much sunlight on this side. So, come after Christmas, after New Year's, I'm going to probably move into another room altogether. So, it'll be a darker room, and I'll be having a TV in that room. So, a little radio, we'll be listening to different things. We'll listen to a little sports, center, action, ESPN kind of stuff. So, all right, so that's the Ducks, Brandon Mouture, and that's Claude, Anaheim. There you go, Claude. The Ducks. So you're going to probably hear Claude and Davis M a lot. They killed this break for us, folks. They took it out of the ballpark. and I can't thank you two enough. So it's always nice to have a couple people step up and like, you know what, I'll help out. It's awesome when you guys do. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! We got ourselves an autograph, ladies and gentlemen. We got ourselves Connor Hellebuck of the Winnipeg Jets autograph. Davis M. Boom. That case had an autograph. Very nice. Wow, that's a nice autograph. Oh, Hellebuck. Congratulations. Wow. That's a boo. Congrats, man. Way nice. Big auto. See if I can move this speaker over a little bit like that. There we go. And right behind him, we have Ed Belfour, Chicago Blackhawks, Stonewall. Sweet. Oh, Eddie. That's awesome, man. Chicago, Davis M. There you go. Ed Belfour. Congrats, man. Sweet. Alex Anita Kerfoot. Jonathan Huberdeau. Mark Stone. Wow. There's a jersey. Ottawa Senators. Ottawa Senators are going out to, you know what, I'm just going to put it in this one for now. Dave N. There you go, Dave. Congratulations. Got a couple spots in this random teams. So, hope to get you some more pulls. Hope to get everybody some nice stuff. It's always nice when everybody gets something, you know. And, oh, by the way, all base is shipped in this 2-box break stuff. So, we can break 2 boxes all day long, and I will ship you the base. But when we go to the 12 boxes at one shot, you will not get your base. So, Richard Rankle, UD Canvas. The Ducks, Claude P. Congratulations. There you go. What do we got here? So we got Workstead, Poulat, Riley, Ladd, Fiala, Fulango, Backlund, Miles Wood with the Devils, and Yager Years again with Pittsburgh this time. That's going out to Davis M. Congratulations. There you go. Show you that back real quick. Sorry, thing is, I like to show you guys the cards. I like to show you the hits. You know, sometimes I feel like it might be not long enough, but, you know, I figure if I'm showing you the base, you gotta definitely see the hits. Even the, you know, even the parallels and all that other stuff. So, there we go. Zach Whitecloud. Very nice. Las Vegas. The Vegas Golden Knights. Knights. And that is going out to Davis M. Davis, there you go. Congratulations. Young Guns, Whitecloud. Sweet. So there's 2 Young Guns and an autograph we had. So, coming down to the back end of the last of that stack. So we should have something, and it's going to be a UD portrait. Might be even another one behind here. Sometimes there is one. Sometimes it's just the base. But Pavelski, Joe Pavelski, San Jose Sharks. There you go. That's going out to Dave N. There you go, Dave. I try to give you that full look at the cards because I know I got some glare in the building, so in the room here. Unfortunately, I do not have any lights hanging above me, so I'm just going to put these off to the back end here, like that, and we're going to hit this next stack. Here we go, folks. Connor McDavid. Man, got an autograph, 2 Young Guns on that side, and we start out with a 3rd Young Gun, Anaheim Ducks, Claude P. And we start out with Sherwood. Kiefer Sherwood. The Ducks. There you go, man. Congratulations. There's the back end. There's the front end. And we'll slide him over there. And we'll continue on. Andre Fleury, Vander King, Stahl, Connor Hellebuck, Mark Stone, Steven Stamkos, Ristolene, UD Canvas, Braden Point, Tampa Bay Lightning. The TBLs. That's going out to EJC. See how I made that little pun? TBL to the EJC. There you go, man. Congratulations. A little UD Canvas, Braden Point. It's a cool looking back end picture. That's really cool looking. It's nice. That there. Brody. Spezza. Shane. Oh, my Islanders. Matthew Barzal. Very nice. 25 out of 25. Got that orange to it, you know? It's got that orange. New York Islanders. Claude P. Congratulations. There you go. Yeah, nice, man. 25. Under 25. Barzal skates it away. So 16-17. If you're looking for his rookie year, I believe it's 16-17 for Barzal. So... and you might have some other cards out there, you know. 15-16. I believe Leaf did a product, or did some stuff with him in it. I remember, because if I remember right, collecting some Leaf product. Casey Middlestead, Buffalo Sabres. Not who we're looking for. UD Canvas, but Casey's still good, though. Middlestead's a good little kid. So, rookie UD portrait. Nice. Hot little market for him. Buffalo. That's Dave N. There you go. Good kid. Bax and Krug. All right. Here we go. Rask. Shinkirk. Marcus Peterson. Pedersen. With the Ducks, not the correct one. We're going to call him Peterson. So, Anaheim Ducks. Although he could be a star too. I mean, you never know. So, Claude, there you go. We could get 2 Petersons, 2 Pedersons in a year. I mean, it's spelled the same way and everything, which is funny. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool. But, not who are you looking for the young gun? Then right behind him, we have a checklist of the Tampa Bay Lightning of Stamkos and Ovechkin. The Capitals. So Tampa Bay is EJ, and the Capitals is Davis M. So this here, which we've seen in a couple other box breaks, will be randomized off at the end of the break between the 2 of you. So stay tuned for the end of the break, and we'll randomize that off. Put that over there for now, in case we get another one. If we get a second one, you both will get 1 card. So you'll both get a checklist. Last couple boxes, though, we have not got the same checklists. Stonewall, Vancouver. Jacob Markstrom. So Vancouver Canucks. There you go. I believe Claude has Vancouver. Yep, Claude P has Vancouver. So there you go. Little Stonewall. Put that up there. Remember, we got another box to go through, folks. So We're still plucking away at this. We're just hunting. We're pecking away. Boom, Jordan Eberle. Boom, Young Guns. Muriel Heshinkian. Dallas Stars, Young Guns. Dallas Davis M. Congratulations. Why don't they all have names like Davis and Clyde, for goodness sakes? Or Paul. Or Trevor. There you go. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, we've got 5 Young Guns and we still got a stack to go. Okay. That was doubled up, folks. Boom and boom. So remember that in this, and if you ever see that in another box. So they actually had 2 cards back to back, and I don't know if it was like in the back of a pack, in the beginning of a pack, or something like that. So UD Canvas, Chris Kreider, the Rangers, New York Rangers, NWR. Who got that? Is that that's Diego T. There you go, Diego. Sweet. Got yourself a little Rangers. Not a goalie. Diego's looking for goalies. So there you go. Congratulations. Aha, 25 under 25. Braden Point. Might have to grab a swig of water. A swallow of water. 25 under 25. Braden Point. Tampa Bay. That's going out to EJ. See, the wife coughed and she blew that disease all back towards me. Now my nose is starting to itch. Dang her. That's what love's all about. Ryan Johansson. Marner. Henrique. Connor McDavid UD Portraits. That's kind of a nice little card. I wish they would have had the one where he had his big beard growing, and him and Patrick Laine, you know. Those boys try to grow beards, and it was like, okay. They can grow a better one than me. That's awesome. Connor McDavid, Edmonton Oilers. That's going out to David P. There you go, David. Nice little hit for you. Boom. And the back end is going to give us a Young Gun. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an autograph. I'm curious. I'm really curious. And it did. Thomas Hinka. Vegas Golden Knights. I'll be danged. Wow. Wow, this is interesting. We're coming down to the bottom boxes, and we still have yet to pull a Peterson from Vancouver. So, Vegas Golden Knights, that's going out to Davis M. But we still got another box to go. So, listen. I'm telling you, I need to be beard. So I got to have a beer by the end of this break. So the only way I get to have a beer is if we pull a big one. So come on, Mojo. Oh yeah, see Koivu. So that's the same thing. So that's kind of common. So we pulled that quite a bit now. So it's kind of a cool card. And here we go with a New Jersey Devils. Keith Kincaid out of the Devils. And that is Claude P. There you go. Congratulations. Stonewall. Boom. All right, and that's that. That's that. And we got another one of that boy. There was 3 of him in that box. Wow. Popular card. Mass-produced, overproduced card for that guy. All right, so let me just spin around and let me find us a box real quick. Find me a tub. that I can go into. So let's put this over here, put that over there, and let's pick these ones up. We'll put them there like this. Pick these up here. This, we have to random at the end of the break. We'll get these over here. Young Guns on top. Stack them there. Grab the other box and let's go for it. Empty box, empty sleeves. Third box from the last of this case. What you gonna give us? What are we going to get? I'm doing it really different now. Yager Years, New Jersey Devils. Awesome. Check that out. That's sweet looking. I'm going to do it way different. I'm just going to grab a pack and pull it open and we'll look. That's sweet. That's awesome, man. New Jersey. Claude. Congratulations. I'm going to put that right there. Let's see what else we got in this little pack. In these 2 packs I opened up. So, Barzell. Parisi. There's our first young gun. Morgan Klimchuk. I believe Calgary Flames. Calgary Flames. That's going up to Claude P. There you go. First young gun out of the box. DeBrincat. Sam Bennett. Jones, McAvoy, Connor Hallebuck, and we got ourselves something else behind there. So Connor Hallebuck and McAndre Fleury. So we got Vegas and Winnipeg. So Winnipeg is Davis, Vegas is Davis. That's going out to Davis. So we'll just put that over in the pile. And right behind him we got a UD portraits of Braden Shen. From the Blues, St. Louis is Claude P. There you go. Congratulations. And base, 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 and base. And we're going to grab this one back here. And it looks like we got a checklist card on the back end. So let's see who the checklist is. Got Stonewall, Malcolm Subban from the Vegas Golden Knights. Very nice. Davis M. And behind there we have Krug. And then we have Alex Ovechkin and Steven Stamkos. So that's a double. So we're good to go there. So you both are going to get one of these. So no randomizing for that one. So Washington Capitals was Davis, and Tampa Bay Lightning was EJ. So you both will get one of those. So I'm just going to put that over here on the other side then, so I don't have to worry about it. Dustin Brown, Smith, 25 of 25, Clayton Keller. Arizona Coyotes, Davis M. There you go. 25 under 25. 25 under 25. Clayton Keller. And Schultz, Pujarvi, Pombel, Talbot. 1, 2. Seen silver. Seen silver. Besser. Borden. Melkin. Goudot. Stonewall. Patrick Waugh. Colorado. Nice, man. Don't call me Roy. I'll kick you in the shin. Wow. Colorado, there you go. Congratulations, David P. Very nice, man. Old school goalie. Still, we've only found one young gun by doing it this way. So this is kind of fun. We're really, it's like, come on, baby. What are you going to give us? Ooh, and that's through all the way through the first pack. This is going into the second pack. And who we get? Oh, we got a Mike Smith UD portrait. Base, base, and base. So we'll put those off to the side. And we'll get Mike Smith from the Calgary Flames all hooked up into a top loader here. He's been penny sleeved. Give him a little tap tap for love. Calgary Flames. Claude P. Mike Smith. Goalie. Nice. There's a nice little goalie UD portraits. So I'm going to pull that one. Pull that one, and then we'll take that one right there. Do 2 packs at a time. Kind of changing it around for the pack break. Seth Jones. Just see if I can get a little bit different mojo here. You know what I mean? You know, I'm just trying to work it for you guys. You know, I feel something, and I'm like, oh, yeah, there we go. Trevor Murphy. Phoenix Coyotes or Arizona Coyotes? Just don't call them Tucson. Because you'd be talking about the AHL or something. Trevor Murphy, Arizona Coyotes. Davis M. There you go, my friend. There's our second young gun. Lady, Giroux, Ristaline. Wow, 2 young guns and 2 packs that I pulled. Luke Johnson, Chicago Blackhawks. Very nice. Congratulations. Blackhawks. Davis M. Got old Lukey. Got LJ. So that's 3. Alright, so I'm going to grab this one and this one. Good luck. Here we go. A couple more packs. We're just opening up the box, opening up the packs. We get McAndre Fleury, another goaltender, UD portraits, Vegas Golden Knights. Congratulations, Davis M. There you are, sir. Nice. It's 2 goalie UD portraits back to back, basically. Shattenkirk. UD canvas, Anthony Menta. Oh, that's cool. That's a really cool looking UD canvas. He's got a little bobblehead of him, and then he's in the background. That's a sweet shot, man. You know, for one of the shots of the game, that's a really cool looking shot. It's covering up the Detroit Red Wings logo, but that's pretty cool. So Detroit, Claude P. It's really nice looking, really interesting looking card. Like it. Maelstrom, Bufflin, Letang, and McAndre Fleury. Alright, so that's that. Put those back there. Let's grab this one here and grab this one here. 1, 2, 3. Howard. Stahl. Johansson. Marner. Stonewall. Oh, man. Semyon I can't pronounce his last name. I'd figure it out here in a second, but I'm not going to get a chop on this. Colorado. Another goalie, David P. There you go. Congratulations, man. Heischer, Marleau, Reamer, Aberg, Petrie, Lee. Connor McDavid, 25 under 25. Edmonton Oilers. It's going out to David P. There you go. Nice little Connor, 25 under 25. A U25-1. First of the series. Number 1. Lad. Steen. Aha. Braden Holtby. Another goaltender. This box has been all full of goaltenders. Wow. Braden Holtby. Washington. Davis M. Kissing that cup. That's right. Stanley Cup champions. It was so nice to see somebody else win besides Pittsburgh. Although I can't complain if the Hawks win. And if the Wild ever got there, I really couldn't complain. So, we got World Series championship, and we got WNBA championship in this town, but we do not have any NBA, NFL, or NHL championships in this town. So, maybe someday, as they say, maybe someday. And you're like, what town are you talking about, Bergie? Minnesota. Did we just pull a second Dolan? There's the second one. Dolan, Young Guns, Buffalo, Dave N. Wow. Awesome, Dave. Congratulations. There you go. Got yourself a Dolan, man. Sabres. Still, it's 4, so now we pulled a Dolan in the last box, and we did not get a Pettersson. But I'm not going to jinx us by saying that, so I didn't say that. Shooting Stars, Connor McDavid. Man, so that means that he could be in those last 2 boxes, though. Dang. Edmonton. David P. Congratulations. There you go. Shooting Stars. We still got some more packs there, like I said. Butcher. Milano. Hudo. Come on, baby. Aaron Ekblad. Florida Panthers UD canvas. Uh-oh. Oh, darn it. I'm going to have to swing around and go get myself some. Yeah. I'm going to have to get myself some top loaders. So, Florida is Claude P. There you go, Claude. Congratulations. Nice little card. We'll go there. We'll go that. We'll go that. There's our other stack of base. So we've got these packs left. I'm thinking there's got to be a UD. I'm hoping there's a UD. I can't even think of it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hell, we'll just do them all. We'll just do them all. Get them done. We'll open them up. Let them breathe like a fine bottle of wine, as I say. I was hoping that maybe there would be a jersey card. So a UD jersey card in this box. We have not pulled a lot of those out of this whole case. So, all right, folks, here we go. There's the cards off and away. The last 7 packs, basically. We've got 4 Young Guns. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Jordan Greenway, Minnesota Wild. Sweet. And I'm out of top loaders. So I'm going to spin around real quick and go grab a box of top loaders. Jordan Greenway. Minnesota Wild, my team. Claude P. Should have had the wife grab me some top loaders when she walked through the room. But she was busy heading out to the back north 40, as I call it. So and trying not to cough when she walked through. So Bukestad, Johnson, Marcus Peterson again. Come on, really? You're giving us the wrong guy. Damn you. You better be a superstar, dude. That's what the hunt's all about, right? That's what the hunt's all about. Anaheim. Claude P. Now we're just looking for that young gun. UD Canvas. Dang. This is getting intense. I'm sweating here, guys. I'm sweating. I'm just like, come on. UD Canvas. New York Islanders. Anthony Beauvillier. Beauvillier. Blah, blah, blah. My boy. Anthony B. New York Islanders. Claude P. Okay. So we got a Stonewall coming up, maybe. Maybe not. What do we got? Braden Point. Yep, Corey Schneider, New Jersey Devils. Very nice. Card feels thicker. I don't know why. Sometimes these cards just feel thicker. And once you put them in a penny sleeve, they feel like they normally do. Corey Schneider, New Jersey Devils. There you go, Claude. Congratulations. $10. Jack Eichel, Buffalo Sabres. Just talking about it, man. I was like, I wonder if they're going to give us a jersey card, a UD jersey. And there it is, Buffalo. Dave N. Congratulations. Bam. There you are. And I believe we can go into here like that. So, Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel, Jack the Man, Trevor Daley, Myers, Jones, Bouvier, Savard, Williams, Shaw. Cards going everywhere. Yager Years. I would love to see one of these in a clear cut. These Yager Years. I don't believe they did them, but I have to go look. They might have done it. They might have done a clear cut on it. But then again, if they did, I would think that I would have pulled one by now. Then again, maybe not. You know what? Probably not. So, Pittsburgh. That's going to Davis. There you go, Davis. Congratulations. John Gibson. Reinhardt. Reslovic. And Samuel Montebelut. Florida Panthers goalie, young gun, Florida. We did not hit. Claude P. That's yours, man. We did not hit. We did get a Peter Pedersen, but it was a wrong Pedersen. We need to have a talk with Upper Deck about this. That's it, folks. No randomizing, no nothing, no anything. I I got 2 boxes left out of that case. I'm not going to put up anything else until those last 2 boxes are gone. So I'm going to run through the Young Gun hits real quick. So we did get some nice Young Guns. We did get a nice autograph out of those boxes, those 2 boxes. So that case had an autograph. It was an autograph case. So we did get that. We got Connor Hellebuck. We did get Hinka. We got Heiskanen. We got Marcus Pettersson from the Ducks. We got Sherwood from the Ducks. We got White Cloud from the Knights. We got Blackwood from the Devils. We pulled as the last card Monteblet. I can't even say it, man. So Samuel. Sorry. We got another Marcus Pettersson from the Ducks. So 2 out of the last 2 boxes. We pulled a Dolan, though. We did get a Dolan. So, and we've pulled 2 of him now. So Luke Johnson, Murphy, and then Klimchuk. So, and then we got some Stonewalled and some other good cards and a lot of good stuff. So I want to thank everybody who got into this box break. Again, I'm Triple B Collectibles. I am Bergie with Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming over. And peace out. And God bless America and bless you. And if you just sneezed, bless you again.